Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Physics Past Question 8. A bulb of weight 0.1 Newton hangs from a massless string of length 50 centimeters. A variable horizontal force which increases from 0 is applied to pull the bulb until the string makes an angle of 60 degrees with the vertical. The work done is A. 0.250 joules, B. 0.025 joules, C. 0.050 joules, D. 0.500 joules. So this question is quite long, but compared to the length of the question, the solution is quite simple. Okay, and basically you are asked to calculate the work done. And this work done is work done against gravity. Okay, so you are going to make use of the weight and just the length of the string. So you are not going to make use of this angle with the vertical. These are the only two variables you are going to make use of. Now, work done generally is given by mgh, okay, where m is the mass of whatsoever body you are considering, g is the acceleration due to gravity, okay, or the influence of gravity on that body, and h is the height or length, okay, or distance or whatsoever you are considering. Now, in this case, you are using a string, a massless string, and you are given the weight in Newton. Remember, you are given the weight, not the mass. You are not giving the mass, you are giving the weight. So that is to say, the mass has been multiplied by the acceleration due to gravity to give you the weight, and weight of course is considered a force. So F, okay, you can also say F times S. Okay, let's call S, where S is the length of the string. Remember, I said you can, the H here represents, in the root formula, the H represents the height or the length or the distance or whatsoever you are considering. So I have decided to call that length S here using another variable. So F times S. Okay, this is just what we will do. Now, our force has been given to us in Newton, which is the weight of the bulb, and now our length of string is given to us in centimeter. Now you can't make your calculation using centimeter. You have to convert to the SI unit, which is meters, by dividing by 100. So if you divide by 100, it will give you 0.5 meters. So you are all set to apply the F times S formula. So F is equal to 0.1 multiplied by 0.5, and 0.1 multiplied by 0.5 will give you 0.05, okay, or 0.050, and the unit for work done is joules. So 0.050 joules, which is option C, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.